IRS 2024 tax refunds. In today's video, we have Saturday hours for April. We are going to go over what you need to bring with you, as well as what services will be offered. We also have the IRS resource guide with all of the information that you need to know. So make sure you stay tuned and welcome back, everyone. So very happy to have you back for another update. Let's start with the Saturday hours for April 13, 2024, 9 a.m. to 4 p.m. Here are your locations: Alabama, Alaska, Arizona, California. We have Colorado, Connecticut, District of Columbia, Florida, Georgia, Hawaii, Idaho, Illinois, Indiana, Iowa, Louisiana, Massachusetts, Michigan, Minnesota, Mississippi, Missouri, Nevada, New Hampshire, New Jersey, New Mexico, and we have New York, North Carolina, Ohio, Oregon, Pennsylvania, Puerto Rico, South Carolina, South Dakota, Tennessee, Texas, Utah, Vermont, Virginia, Washington, and finally Wyoming. Now let's go over the assistance that you will be able to receive: online assistance, individual taxpayer identification number, ITIN renewal, IRS identity theft, victim assistance, as well as identity verification, payments, refunds, and transcripts and forms as well. Please come prepared with your government issued photo identification, social security numbers for you and all household members, as well as any IRS letters or notices that you receive. If you plan to request identity verification services, make sure you bring 2 forms of identification. One must be a current government issued photo ID. Also bring a copy of your tax return. The IRS representative may also request a current mailing address, as well as proof of financial account information that you included on your tax return to receive your tax refund, such as your direct deposit information. The IRS also offers tax preparation services. Eligible individual and families can get free tax preparation services through the Volunteer Income Tax Assistance Program, the VITA program. And to find the closest free tax preparation service, you can go to the IRS.gov website and use the VITA locator tool, or you can call 800-906-9887. They also offer AARP services. You can also use the AARP site locator on IRS.gov or call 888-227-7669. Any individual or family whose adjusted gross income was $79,000 or less in 2023 qualify for the free tax preparation services. The IRS is also offering extended hours on Tuesdays and Thursdays for certain local taxpayer centers, and that is through April 16. You can go to irs.gov/TAC locator to find which tax center is offering those extended hours on Tuesdays and Thursdays. You can also schedule an appointment by calling 844-545-5640. Normal hours at the taxpayer centers are 8:30 a.m. to 4 p.m. Monday through Friday by appointment. If you need sign language interpreter or help with foreign language interpretation, you need to schedule an appointment. For deaf or hard to hearing individuals, you can call the interpreter services at 800-829 4059 to make an appointment. If you need forms and other publications, you can call 800-829-3676 for all forms. Let's go over the IRS resource guide. You have general tax law information in the first section here. You also have the information on finding a qualified tax professional. You can go to irs.gov/choose a tax pro. Next, you have preparing a federal tax return. All of the information is listed on your right. You have determining the appropriate amount of withholding. You have international tax issues. You have any issue that require face-to-face assistance, getting a transcript, requesting IRS records, making a tax payment, what you need to do if you cannot make your tax payment, what are the options, also checking the status of your refund, checking the status of your amended tax return, determining how much you owe the IRS, as well as reconciling advance payments, understanding the IRS notices and letters, getting an employer identification EIN number, getting an individual taxpayer ITIN number, understanding identity theft issues, obtaining a tax form or publication, contacting a local taxpayer advocate, understanding the innocent spouse relief program, and keeping up with the latest IRS news and information. All of that information is right here at your fingertips. All right, so make sure you save it, make sure you share this video. And finally, help for tax professionals, general tax professional information, handling identity theft, getting a preparer tax identification PTIN number, getting a power of attorney, contacting the practitioner, priority services, keeping up with the latest news for tax professionals. So make sure you share this information with anyone who you know can benefit from it. All right. Also, if you're experiencing a financial hardship while you're waiting for your 2024 tax refund, you can contact the Taxpayer Advocate Service at 1-877-777-4778, or you can go directly to the Taxpayer Advocate website at taxpayeradvocate.irs.gov. And that brings us to the end of this week's 2024 tax refund update. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Bye-bye.